Well, good morning. This is from NPR. This is news out of San Francisco. Armed with traffic cones, protesters are immobilizing driverless cars. You can see here the picture of a driverless car and the cone sticking on the middle of the hood. I think that's hilarious. All right, so we have an anonymous activist group called Safe Street Rebel, responsible for the so-called coning incident and dozens of others over the past few months. Their goal is to incapacitate the driverless cars roaming San Francisco's street as a protest against this emerging technology. All right, so they're run by Cruise, which is owned by GM, Waymo, owned by Google parent company Alphabet. Both companies have poured billions and billions of dollars into developing these autonomous vehicles. Neither Cruise nor Waymo responded to why the cars can be disabled by traffic codes. That is so fun. I don't know why, but seeing a code sticking on top of the middle of a hood, I think is just too funny. So yeah, somebody said putting cones on these driverless cars was a funny image that would captivate people. Of course, it got my attention. All right, so first responders aren't happy with driverless cars. Safe Street Rebel, I guess there have been hundreds of near misses and blunders with Cruise and Waymo vehicles, even without traffic cones. I guess these cars have run red lights, rear-ended a bus, ouch, and blocked crosswalks and bike paths. Dozens of confused cars congregated in a residential cul-de-sac, clogging the streets. Of course, it was a driverless car party. Okay, I'll have a link for this below if you want to read all of this, but I don't live there, and I'm not sure how I would feel. There's another picture there of the cone sticking out. It looks like, what's that? What's that animal called? A unicorn? With the horn sticking out of the middle? Oh, man. All right, that's it for this quick news. Enjoy your day. Goodbye.